Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Vechain chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also facing a key area of resistance at around the $0.02436 mark, and a break above that key area of resistance. Then I'll be watching for a successive retest of that key area of resistance, and once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking even higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2. And having done so, I believe we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And all this is happening after we peaked in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side, after seeing a 5 wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.03271 mark, and also completing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis, to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, and also sketch out my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, which is now my primary scenario, by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04758 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see another 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3 is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Vechain chart, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 1-hour chart you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upside, obeying this Elliot wave structure in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.0254 mark, and after seeing the high for that wave 5, we completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side, and after seeing the formation of that first wave, we expected a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, which is a target area that we fully maximized. And after fully maximizing our target area in the formation of that wave 2, whatever we expect next is the start of this wave 3 to the upper side, and sketching out a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, which is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0311 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Vechain to do in the formation of this wave 3. And for this move to also play out, we need to continue holding above the 20-day MA, both on the 1-hour chart and also on the 4-hour chart. And the moment we continue holding above that, then we have the support that we need for us to continue gearing up to break through our key area of resistance at around the $0.02436 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, then I'll be watching for a retest of that key area of resistance, then continue gearing up to fully maximize our target areas at around the $0.0311 mark. And in the formation of that wave 3, we can also expect another 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, because of the impulsive nature, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios on the Vechain chart. And getting back to the 4-hour chart to take a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 59 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and continue watching that key area of resistance at around the $0.02436 mark, because a break above it will trigger even higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And that's all for this video, and I'll be keeping you updated.